Hello everyone, my name is Meghana. I am pursuing my first year MCA in Manasa Gangotri. Today I am presenting on the company Samsung. These are the contents: history, logo, Samsung centers, Samsung in India, Samsung products, IA in Samsung, vision, mission and goals of Samsung, conclusion and reference. This is the Samsung company located in South Korea. Samsung history. Samsung was developed by Lee Hung Chung in 1938 as grocery trading company. Samsung is a South Korean company. The meaning of Samsung word is 3 star. The word 3 represents something big, numerous and powerful. In the late 1960s, Samsung Group entered into the electronics industry and its first electronic product was a black and white television. The company also started exporting its product and becoming a major electronic manufacturer in its home country. In 1970s, the company acquired a 50% stake in Korea Semiconductors. Witnessing a rapid expansion in the earlier 1980s, the company established separate branches for its various electronic businesses. By 1990s, the company had become one of the top 5 electronics makers in the world and was mainly known for its semiconductors, LCD screens and other technology products. The company is also a major vendor of smartphones, tablets, computers, particularly Android-powered Samsung Galaxy Tab series, and is regarded as originator of the phablet category through its Samsung Galaxy Note series device. Samsung logo. The first logo was developed in the year 1958. The second logo was used from the year 1969 to 1979. The third logo was used from the year 1980 to 1992. Fourth logo is used from the year 1993 to 2013 and the fifth logo. This is the current logo of Samsung. At present, Lee Kun-hee is the chairman of Samsung. Kinam Kim is the vice chairman and CEO of Samsung company. Young Son is the president of Samsung. Samsung has 18 centers in the worldwide. Out of 18, 4 centers are artificial intelligence centers. Samsung in India. Samsung Electronic commenced its operation in India in December 1995. There are two R&D centers in India, that is Research and Development Centers, that is in Delhi and Bangalore. In 2020, Samsung achieved a sales turnover of $61.55 trillion. Samsung is the leader in LED TVs, LCD TVs and slim TVs. Samsung is the India's largest mobile handset brand and also leading in smartphone segments in India. These are the Samsung products manufactured by Samsung company. Samsung phone generations. The first is Samsung SPH 1300. It was developed in the year 2001 October. And the second one is Samsung Blackjack. It is developed in the year 2006. Samsung Instinct. It was developed in the year 2008 June. And the Samsung Focus. It was developed in the year 2010 October. Samsung Galaxy S2. It was developed in the year 2011 May. Samsung Galaxy Nexus. It was developed in the year 2011 December. Smartphones. Samsung developed its first lighted mobile in the year 1993 and the model is SCHR800. It was available in CDMA networks, that is Code Division Multiple Access Network. Samsung forayed into mobile phones in 2000 with the launch of a feature phone with inbuilt camera that could take up to 20 photos at a time. By late 2000, the company had launched several phones, but its global success story started with launch of the Galaxy S series of smartphones that used the company's OLED screens technology and Hummingbird processor. In first quarter of 2012, Samsung becomes world's largest mobile phone maker by unit sale, overtaking Nokia, which had been the market leader since 1998. In the third quarter of 2012, it sold 98 million phones, of which 55 million were smartphones. Samsung regains the second spot that it lost to Vivo during the first quarter of 2020. In the third quarter of 2020, it saw the highest smartphone sale volume for Samsung in the previous 7 quarters. Then Samsung is the market leader in India at least on third quarter of 2020. This brand makes phones for all segments of buyers. It starts from rupees 5,000 to rupees 1 lakh plus. With approximately 7 million smartphones shipped to India in the first quarter of 2021. In 2021, they are planning to launch Galaxy A series phone. Here you can see in 2021 Samsung has 22% of smartphones market share in the world. In first quarter of 2001 Samsung has 20% of smartphone market share in India. Tablet. Samsung Galaxy Tab is Android based tablet computer. It was introduced on 2nd September 2010. Samsung launched the Galaxy Tab in India on 10th November 2010. The competitors of Samsung tablets are Apple, Amazon, Google and Lenovo. In 2021, Galaxy had dominated the tablet market in India with 34% volume of market share. Samsung popular lineup of tablets in India including Tab S6 Lite, Tab A7, Tab S7 Plus and Tab S7. Television. Samsung Electronics was established in 1969. They have three models in television such as LCD, LED and plasma. Samsung introduced a new model of Ultra HD TV in 2013. Competitors of Samsung television is LG, Sony and Toshiba. Samsung Electronics, which has nominated the number one position in TV sales for 15 consecutive years until last year, also ranked first with a 32.9 market share. Refrigerators. Samsung Refrigerators is the second largest manufacturing unit in the world. Samsung manufacturing unit is in Noida, Uttar Pradesh, started its operation in 2003. It is a venture of Samsung Electronics Korea. Samsung Fresh Tech range of refrigerators is developed which has unique benefits when compared to others that it offers retaining the freshness and nutrition value of the fruits and vegetables being stored in it. Samsung also launched Fresh Tech Ultima which is the largest 5-star rated refrigerator in the Indian market which is an eco-friendly product. It also contains Cool Pack feature which is developed by the company's R&D teams in India. AI in Samsung. Samsung Android phones come with their own voice assistant called Bixby 2.0 in addition to supporting Google Assistant. Samsung's artificial intelligence system designed to make device interaction easier. Bixby 2.0 allows the AI system to be available on all the devices including TVs, refrigerators, washers, smartphones and other connecting devices. Samsung announced that artificial intelligence capabilities would be a part of every devices it manufactures by 2020. Another innovation is out of Samsung Electronics is SARAM. SARAM is a Samsung multi-purpose programmable robotic platform. Recently they have launched Samsung A52 and A72, Galaxy Book laptops, Galaxy Tab S7. Here comes the vision and mission of Samsung company. The vision is inspire the world, create the future and the mission is to inspire the world with innovative technologies, products and designs that enriches people's lives and contribute to a social responsible sustainable future. The goal of the Samsung company is quantitative goals. USD 400 billions in sales predominantly number 1 in the global IT industry, 7 global top 5. Qualitative goals: innovative company, respected company, top 10 world's best workshops, creative leader building new market, global enterprise that attracts the world's best talents. Conclusion: with Samsung reputation and success with Android application and home electronics and its earlier lessons with AI and a resolution strategy towards AI growth and excellence, the future looks promising for Samsung to close up the gap between itself and competitors in the race to be prepared for the fourth industrial revolution and innovation from big data, artificial intelligence, and robotics. At last, references. I referred these websites, that is www.samsung.com, www.businessstandard.com, en.wikipedia.org and news.samsung.com. Thank you.